Hello everyone. We got a 2021 Dodge Ram. We're gonna do the fuel filter. First things first, I already started this part. We have to remove this piece. Not remove it, but loosen it. Get the fuel to drain. I did put this hose here because if not, as you can see, it does go onto the draft shaft and it makes a big mess. So having an extra hose there on that and just move the direction of where it's draining out from be a lot better. This is also a 28mm socket. This is what I'm using. This is what I got off the tool truck. 28mm. I'm trying to show you this process here. See how it goes into the drag shaft. Yeah, I do got my oil caddy here, getting the fuel. Still more fuel that comes out, so it's not a fun one. And this is the fuel filter underneath the truck. There's one inside the engine bay, which I'll show you next. I'm gonna try to do this one first without getting myself full of diesel. Yeah, it's still a messy process. That's all diesel related fuel in there. You gotta put this little O-ring on that last groove there. This just pops out. Put this back in. I like to do it by hand first. started. Grab my ratchet. Finish it. There you go. Catch you in the next one.